Okay, I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it's gonna work out, but welcome to Cheese Make by Roman Dmitri. I want to show you this phone holder that I printed for my 1998 Audi A4 Quattro. It was a relatively simple project, and I'll post a link to the source files below. If you're curious about my specific design to print workflow, including tooling, check out my other video. In today's video, we'll have a problem and a solution. The problem. ¿Qué problema? My sweet ride came with a magnetic phone mount that was installed by my previous owner. This worked with my old phone, but when I got my Galaxy S25, the new phone was a little too heavy or the magnets weren't strong enough. And I used my phone bareback, so this was disappointing. In addition, the mount was installed a little low and I couldn't even get it off. It was attached with some glue and I tried, but no luck. Mind you, this was around the time my center console disintegrated like a chocolate Easter bunny, and I was in no mood to pry so hard that I'll break my entire dashboard. I did not want to reprint the whole thing or even parts of it. It took me 2 months to replace that console, and I have a separate video if you're interested. I essentially had a ball sticking out of my dashboard, and well, this was my starting point. How did you solve it? How did you figure that out? You guessed it, I decided to print my own because what else was I going to do? The design looked like this. It has a slot on the back to fit the existing coupling. This design specifically is for my Galaxy S25 with a leather case that I found for $20 on Amazon. I now use a case because the S25 has a glass back and keeps sliding out of my pocket. I miss when phones had a leather back. That was peak performance. In this design, the side tabs don't interfere with the screen and the bottom keeps the phone port accessible. This design is intended to print vertically as shown, so you see the tabs are quite strong. If this was printed horizontally, the little side tabs are sure to snap off. The sides are a little thicker for strength, and the middle is narrow to allow some flexibility. I think it has a pretty sleek curve. Even though there's some curvature at the bottom, there's absolutely no need for supports. I find that printing at 45 degrees or above alleviates any gravity problems. Gravity is a bitch. Feel free to tweak my design for your phone and case size. It's available for your pleasure. Print. The print of Persia. The print. The print itself took about 5 hours and 25 grams of nylon-filled carbon fiber. Switching from PLA in draft to carbon fiber in final, I did notice some size discrepancies. So I had to expand the inner width by something like 0.5 millimeter to compensate on each side. There was absolutely no post-processing in this print, not even sanding. I think it looks quite dope just the way it came out. Thank you. I hope you found this informative. Please like and subscribe and leave your comments below.